Hello everyone, welcome to online classes of physics. So today we are taking the topic of equivalent resistance, where students got problem in virtual sort and actual sort. See, I am taking an example first. We have to find out RAB for the circuit looks like. Say there are 3 ohm, 3 resistors are there, right? And example is asking RAB, and there are two sort branches. One is connected to these two, and one is connected in between these two. Now, if we want to finalize the answer between RAB, then directly with current method, we got some confusion. When current is coming from this, a node is there, current should be divided, but we feel like this. If there is a short path, complete current will be go like this, right? But if we are doing the approach with potential difference or no potential, then directly we can clear this way. See, here in this method problem is that when current is coming, this current is going to this node and this current is going to this node. Directly we can't say whether the branches are connected in series or parallel. So we are using node numbering approach. This potential is in, the same potential will be here because there is no resistive branch. Next, again there is a short branch, so I can say this is also the same potential A. Next, there is one extra node, this. So we should take this potential as B. So take this node as B. Again on node numbering, this should be right. Firstly, we have to consider will name all the nodes. Now, again I can redraw this. This is A, this is B. Now, in between A to B, there is a resistive branch 3 ohm. Next, B to A, one branch is more of 3 ohm. Again, in between A to B, this is a 3 ohm branch. Now, if I draw target terminal branch outside, then directly I can see whatever the current is entering, the same current is out with the same common approach. Now I can easily see current is divided into 3 parts and merging like this. So the potential difference between this 3 and this 3 remains same, right? So you can see these 3 are in parallel. So answer should be 3 parallel 3 parallel 3, that is right. Are they equal resistance of that? Now, if the same question is asked in the other same question, only same question, but I am trying to say, please understand this. If these 3 resistances are there, say this is 3 ohm, this is 3 ohm, this is 3, then you can do this problem as a group. In between these 3 and 3, there is a cross arm. In between this and 3, again there is a cross arm, like short approach. Now, this is node is A, this is B, this is cross arm, so there is not any node, right? Now, you can do this same way with the previous method, right? Directly. This potential is A, so this potential should also be A, right? You can pause the video and solve this. This is A. Now, this is a short branch, so again, whatever the potential is here, the same potential is here. Again, this is potential B. So this would be again potential. Here is a resistive branch. So these 2 points having different potential. Now we can redraw this same approach only this time. This is A, this is B. In between A to B, 3 ohm. Again B to A, 3 ohm. Right? And again A to B, again same circuit only. I can say you all have same answer, that is 1, right? So RAB value is what? 3 parallel, right? So with the first example, second example, you can also solve. Now, what I want to write, say one bit is there, and here for finding RAB, circuit looks like this. Say this is 1 ohm, this resistance is 2 ohm, this resistance is 3 ohm, this resistance is 6 ohm, and we have to find out R. Again there is two short branches, one is this and one is this. Right? Now you have to solve the problem. If you are using the same approach, say this is A and this is a resistive branch. So as we know, resistance is what? It is the property of material which opposes the flow of current. By doing this, it converts electrical energy to heat energy like bulb. So student, the potential at this point and this point both are having a difference, right? Because of this resistance. This heating element is doing what? Creating a potential difference. So this is A, so we can't write this as A. So we should take one extra node here. That I can say as C. Because if this is B, the same potential should be here B. But B cannot transfer to B. So with the short circuit approach, again this node is C. Now there are three nodes. A, B is a target terminal and extra node is C. So if we want to draw the circuit, our approach is what? A to C is a 1 ohm branch. Yes. After that, I can say C to B. Right? C to B 2 ohm, B to C 3 ohm, and C to B 6 ohm. So students, I can have C to B these three branches. Same like previously. 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm. 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm. Now, again, if we want to write the answer, then easily I can give the answer. See, whatever the current is entering, the same current should be. Now, this current is divided into 3 parts. And so I can take the guarantee that these three are in parallel. So RAB is what? This is in series with combination of this in parallel. So 1 plus 6 parallel 3 parallel. So answer is 6 parallel 3 is 2, 2 parallel 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer should be 2. I hope this is the question for 3 nodes, right? 2 target terminal node, 1 extra node is there. So I hope this can be easily understandable. Now, if problem comes in this sense, suppose, say for example, say examiner is asking R and circuit I should modify. Why? You can understand in later time. See, if I want to ask RE and there are two words. One is having resistance of 3 ohm. Other one is also having a resistance of 3 ohm. Right? These 3 ohm, 3 ohm, two resistors are there. Now, if we want to find out REB, then for finding REB, see student, this potential is A, right? Again, at this node, same potential. Again, at this node, same potential. There is no resistive branch. Again, at this node A. Again, at this node A. So, if you want to find out REB, this would be what? No 2 target terminal. That should be what? RAA. That means answer is 0. What I am trying to say? Please listen carefully. See, we know that current is always following least resistance path. If suppose there is a combination of 3 resistive branches, 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm, then the maximum current is following into 2 ohm. After that 3 ohm. After that 6 ohm. But if any short circuit branch is there, then complete current follow through that short circuit branch. That means if a current is I, then this current directly follow that is short circuit path. That means there is no current flowing in this 3 ohm and 3 ohm. Complete current will follow this short circuit path. So answer should be what? 0. If you want to clarify yourself, sir, directly not accepted this method, so I am giving one approach. See students, this circuit is like this is A, this is B. Yes. Now if we make this branch as a straight branch 3 and this 3 again as a straight branch, so can I say this one as a first 3 branch and second one is also a 3 branch? Now you can say this circuit and this circuit both are same, but in this circuit directly you can visualize whatever be the current is entering, the same current should be out. Now what will happen when this current is going from this? It always got a least resistance, least resistance, least resistance, least resistance, direct short circuit path. So flowing through this 3 ohm and 3 ohm, complete current will follow short circuit branch. These two bulbs will not glow. If not glow, so not coming in the calculation. So answer should be what? 0. This circuit we can easily solve, but when this circuit comes, so it is always advisable to draw this circuit with the help of node numbering, node potential. So directly if two potentials are same of target terminal, answer is 0. Directly we can remove that branch from the circuit because up to that, I hope you all are getting my words properly. Now I can solve one more bit to understand this concept. Suppose one again circuit is here. This is having 10. This is having 10. Again this is having 10. And again this is having 10. Right? Suppose this circuit is here. And examiner is asking find RAB. Fifth example. Find RAB for the circuit given below. Now, some students what are trying to say? Sir, this node is having same potential. So, they are putting this node on this. So, 10 overlapping 10. Again, this overlapping this. So, 10 overlap 10 overlap 10. Again, this node is same. They overlapping this. So, these all four are looking like what? These are having parallel combination. 10 parallel 10 parallel 10 parallel 10. But that is wrong. Why? Because they parallel branch of short circuit also. That is called what? Exact short. That kills this 10, this 10, this 10, this 10, no use. And if it is of no use, so answer will be 0. What my words? 0. What I want to first. Say this is A. So this is also A. This is again 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 A. And this is again A. So correct completely for what? Short circuit. And this short, dead short circuit. So no current will flow through this. 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 Complete current will be coming from this short circuit part. So this circuit will be what? RAB should be RAA. You can take any. You can take this as B. So B. So RBB is equal to 0. You can take any value, right? This is on you. But this circuit is what? See students. This is 10 ohm. Again this is 10 ohm. Again this is 10 ohm. Again this is 10 ohm. Right? These four resistors are in parallel with short circuit. That is the beauty of this question. Right? This circuit is like this. If you see this short circuit branch, so directly you are saying, sir, this will kill this, and this part will kill this part will kill this part will kill this, and final answer will be. That is your general answer in your classes. But what I am giving that node potential method, this is very superior students. Directly you can give the answer. Hope all you are having a better understanding of